Hi guys! So sorry kung ngayon lang ako ulit nakapa-upload ng video. Life happens. Anyway, our topic for today is how to get a US visa interview schedule, DIY version. So I'm gonna give you 5 steps on how I did it so you guys can do it as well. Step 1, get your US visa size photo. Yung sa akin, I did it via Great Image. Step 2, you have to fill out your DS-160 form. I'm gonna put in here the website. Have to make sure na ang ilalagay nyo lang po dyan sa DS-160 form ay yung toong information about you. Super important, take note of your application ID. Step 3, go to this website. All you have to do is to create your account. Once you've successfully logged in DS-160 application, they will provide you with a payment code. Dadalhin mo sa nearest RCBC or you can pay it via Visa card or MasterCard. Step 4, after paying, RCBC will give you a code na ilalagay nyo doon sa US visa scheduling later. Last step is you have to wait 24 to 48 hours before going back to your US visa scheduling account. Once verified, you will finally see the available interview slots for the US visa interview. Reminder, dalawa po ang ibubook nyo. One is for the biometrics, and second is for the interview itself. So overall, madali lang po magpa-schedule ng US visa interview, but hindi po yan assurance na kayo ay ma-approve for US visa. In the next video, I will share what happened on the day of the interview. So follow for part 2.